Hello, we are Group 3, and in today's presentation, we will be sharing about Misa Stock Companies, one of the leading IT companies in Vietnam. Through an interview with a marketing staff member working on HRM software, we gain valuable insight into company's operation, its customer, and the challenge the employee is currently facing. And this presentation will give an overview of MISA while also providing practical solutions to address the challenge based on what we have learned in our management seminar course teaching by Professor Zohan Lee. And to start a clearly understand about project, let's start with our member my group. They are Linh Lê is me, Lam Bùi, Hải Phạm, Linh Trịnh, and Huy Nguyen. So to gain a clear understanding of our project, let's start with some quick information about the company. The companies Misa Jones Stock Companies were founded on December 25, 1994. Its headquarters are located in Hanoi, with five representative offices in major cities like Ho Chi Minh City, Đà Nẵng, Cần Thơ, or Buôn Ma Thuột. Over the past 27 years, MISA has established itself as a leader in Vietnam's IT industry. The company serves over 1,079 organizations and 1 million individual users, providing a comprehensive digital transformation solution to help business and government agencies improve productivity and efficiently. And about MISA customer, our customer base include medium to large business, typically with 75 to over 100 employee looking for solution in finance, management, HR, and operation. Government agency seeking to optimize their administrative process, educational institution in need a tune for better management and operation. Also, MISA does not just cater to large-scale organization. It also supports smaller business and individual users in their digital transformation journey. So MISA provide focus on the software solution for finance, management, accounting, human resource, and business operation. Some of companies that our platform include a Meet MISA, or you can know MISA SME Point Net, and other digital transformation solution. So about the mission, MISA aims to be the most widely used provider of IT platform software and service in Vietnam and globally, driving digital transformation for business, individuals, and government institutions. About the mission to deliver technological solutions that enhance productivity and efficiently for the customer. Also, they have two value. Core value is trust, convenience, and uh, devotion. About trust, they ensuring the quality, safety, and security for user. About the convenience, they are making service easy to access and can use anytime, anywhere. By the devotion, a commitment team striving to provide the best value to the customer. Through our interviews, we discovered several interesting perspectives on MISA marketing operation, especially the practical challenge that our targeted employee face. Up next, we will dive into this issue in details and share the realistic solution. Our team helped develop to help MISA maintain efficiency and sustainable growth. So let's get started with the problem one by my teammate Hui.
Okay, let's start with the problem one. The first that is working process between the marketing department and sales department is not synchronized. I will summarize and give you some detail of this problem. This problem have some detail like this: poor coordination in customer management and processing. Marketing creates a list and transfer it to sales department via Army CRM, but sales think the customer is not qualified. Marketing claim to have optimized customer the full line with the sales team closing skills. Waste resources. Many potential customers miss or not processed properly. All resources from marketing campaign are not effective until utilized. Forming a blame culture, marketing and sales push responsibility, increasing conflicts, lack of coordination, hindering the improvement of the overall process, and reducing business performance and missing customer. Long-term conflicts reduce the productivity of both departments, miss opportunity to reach and retain potential customer. So, based on this, based on this detail of this problem, our group will recommend some solution for this problem for company knowledge, based on the knowledge subject. The first solution that prioritizes communication to resolve conflicts is beyond chapter 4, building relationship by communicating supportively. Organize regular interdepartmental meeting to share difficult, qualify customer criteria, and improve processing produce. Increase communication between the two departments during the implementation process. Leverage data and analyze it to solve problem is based on chapter 3, solving problem analytically and creatively, using CRM software to classify customer based on interest levels, business size or specific behavior, ensuring customer quality, provide analytical report from CRM in meeting for both parties to evaluate and adjust customer approach strategy. Building cooperation through cross-training is beyond Chapter 7, negotiating and resolving conflicts. Marketing department has better understanding of the closing process. They are adjusting campaign content to suit actual needs. Sales learn how to marketing message, improve customer acquisition and closings, and creating mutual understanding through cross-training, improve collaboration, and reduce conflict. And the last that is the solution based on the motivating performance, that is setting shared goals to drive performance or mutual KPIs. Setting shared KPIs including lead quantity and conversion rates and sale to hold both party announceable. Recognizing required team and perform and motivating performance and encourage collaboration, sharing goals, reduce blame, increase and driving performance. And the next problem now we'll present it.
Okay, thank you. We moving to the second problem, lack of specialization in content marketing. Content marketing staff at MISA have to take on the extra task of designing basic image, even though their main job is to create content. In reality, producing of image or key visuals depend on the public relations department, and the process of requesting designs from them require approvals to the image process system and the product marketing manager. To keep up with work deadlines, content marketing staff often cannot wait for these approvals and have to create simple image on their own. For this problem, the interview candidate had a required practical solution. She suggested that the company cooperate with freelancers or design agencies to ensure the professionalism of the visual products. This helps the staff or interns in charge of content marketing to focus on their main task and helps the design request process reduce complicated approval steps. And this reasonable solution to reduce pressure and ensure work progress for the content marketing team. However, these suggestions lacks clarity as the absence of a long-term strategy raised concerns about consistency, professionalism, and fluctuating costs when working with multiple external partners. So our group suggests establishing a long-term partnership with a dedicated design agency. According to Chapter 6, Motivating Performance, this approach allows content marketing staff to focus on their primary task, creating innovative content without being distracted by design work. It increased motivation and productivity. The company should negotiate and set clear agreement with the design partner regarding to the quality, and pricing of design outputs. Additionally, MISA should build a centralized resource library containing templates, design elements, and image. This ensures stability in visual production and optimize costs. Moreover, content marketing staff can reuse these high quality resource, which is more efficient than creating their own designs from scratch. And another practical solution to address this issue next slide, please, is to limit the production of content that requires unnecessarily high quality visuals. Content can be simplified into text-based format or basic image that do not require professional design, allowing content staff to handle them independently. According to Chapter 2, managing stress, reducing complex or non-specialized tasks help decrease stress, enabling employees to focus on their core responsibilities and improve performance. By doing so, MISA can not only enhance the quality of work but also improve the mental well-being and motivation of the content marketing team. And the last solution is the content marketing leader need to take responsibility for creating detailed briefs for content and design requests. According to Chapter 4, building relationships by communicating sportively, providing clear and comprehensive information in the brief, enhance effective communication between teams, minimize misunderstandings, and ensure that the outputs meet expectations. Additionally, the company should organize cross-training sessions between the content marketing team and the design team to help both sides better understand each other workflows. This approach will improve collaboration and streamline the working process. And the next problem and its solution will be presented by Hai.
So about the problem three, first I will summarize the problem. According to the interviewees, the companies have several Zalo groups where the company interacts with employee and clients and share the knowledge, training informations, and about HRM of the company. However, the groups are working ineffectively. The contents in group is mixed up with the old contents that used to bring back many potential customers previously. Uh, the manager believes that the a smart way to approach the old lead, but however, in reality, this approach doesn't work successfully with new customer as it did in the past. New clients who constantly expect hot news and up-to-date information. So due to the lack of refreshing contents, many customers has left the group after receiving repeated documents and events informations which are no longer attractive to customer. This is evidence that the old format and images in the old scripts are outdated and do not satisfy the needs and expectation of current Zalo user. So let's move to the solutions. Uh, before uh, before we talk about our solutions, I would like to discuss about the interviewee solutions. In the interviews, our interviewees advised using the Zalo SMS initiative, which helped MISA to deliver direct information to a potential customer without previously following Zalo OA uh, business account, thereby enhancing customer accessibilities and interactions and avoiding to bothering the wrong individuals. Um, our group 100% agree with that solution, but we want to provide more solutions to for the company. The first one is based on chapter 3, solving problem analytically and creatively. Our group suggests MISA to conduct research about customer preferences. For instance, what kind of information customer want to see and what kind of book they like to read. So the company can have insight into potential contents by designing a surveys or using the poll extension on Zalo. The company can learn about the customer expectations within the group. So and after that, uh, content creators can provide some brief insights and visuals. Of course, it's based on the previous research uh, or focus on simple messages that reach customer interest or worry. These solutions aim to personalize contents and allow the company to satisfy correctly each customer segment. Um, Not to mention that the audience of this Zalo group or CEO, HR, accountants, and so on. Plus, is create positive responses and a bond of understanding between the company and the audience. So, the second solution we want to suggest that, according to chapter 6, motivating performance and content innovations not only bring hot news to customer but also promote active participations and retain client in Zalo group. So in order to ensure the effectiveness of the solution, MISA needs to organize regular meeting between the content marketing departments and customer research team to adjust strategy and create high quality decoy contents to broaden the accessibility. This is an appropriate approach consistent with the Chapter 7, negotiating and resolving conflict, helping the both sides address problem and improve content qualities. This solution also aligns with the culture of the company that trusts convenience and devotion, forming a solid foundation for MISA to develop sustainability in the future. So that is problem 3. Next is about conclusion presented by Linh.
Yeah, thank you. Next, I will talk about the conclusion. Our research and interview allow us to draw useful conclusion regarding some of the issue facing MISA, an outstanding joint stock company in the IT sector of Vietnam. Although MISA has been doing very well, providing innovation software solutions to organizations, but like other organizations, the company also faced many internal issues that require strategic attention. Our analysis point to three main problems: mismatch between marketing and sales departments, content marketing teams that are not specialized in their fields, and repetitive content strategy in Zalo Group. This issue led to misunderstanding affecting performance and working results. To address these issues, we have come up with solutions based on management theory, but with practical approach. For example, next slide, please. For example, mismatch between marketing and sales can address through supportive communications between two departments, as explained in Chapter 4 of the course material. Regular meeting between two departments and data-driven decision from CRM can also help both teams collaborate better and accountable for common goals. For content marketing teams, outsourcing complex design tasks to outside agency or freelance allow employees to focus on their core responsibilities, reducing stress and improve productivity. This aligns with the strategy in Chapter 6 on driving performance, ensuring employees feel empowered to perform well in their professional roles. For recurring content in Zalo groups, we recommend creating new and audience-specific content, taking advantage of using Zalo SMS for personalized customer communications. These strategies that not only can attract more customers, but also align with the principle of innovations and problem solving in Chapter 3. As confirmed by the interviewee, the solutions to many of these problems have been accepted by the company and are in the process of being implemented. However, they still struggle to help superior fully understand the challenge facing different departments, highlighting the needs to lead positive change. Ultimately, our recommendations aim to address immediate challenge facing MISA while encourage long-term sustainable growth and development. By emphasizing collaborations, specializations, and customer engagement, MISA can strengthen its internal operations and maintain competitive advantage in Vietnam IT industry. These solutions are also consistent with MISA core value, trust, convenience, and devotion. Uh, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.